Preventative maintenance can save energy and money while enhancing comfort. For example, replacing filters in your air system can speed up the flow of air for greater comfort and at the same time save on energy bills. Home improvement experts recommend that your heating and air equipment be checked and maintained twice a year. Your air system needs preventative maintenance in the spring before you start using your air conditioning and in the fall before you start using your furnace. Much better to catch a problem before it becomes an expensive breakdown during a heat wave in summer or a freeze in winter. Contact us today to schedule your next preventative maintenance.